Hi, hello. So I've been meaning to vlog for a really long time now, and I have started some bits and bobs here and there, but I never really finished them. I've just been in my own bubble. I'm not even a big content creator, and I don't make that much content, but I feel like when you become, or you want to become someone that does this type of work and have this as a hobby, in the end, that's all you think about. I think the first day that I realized I was super happy to have a break from that is when I went to an exhibition with a friend. I didn't record things because I was making content. Of course, I was like, maybe I could use this and it'd be really pretty, but in the end, I didn't use it. And I think I started doing that a lot for a lot of different things. It's been nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's been very nice. I've been de-stressing a lot, and I've been making time to see my friends a lot more. I don't know if you watched one of my getting my shit together videos or whatever it was again, where I spoke that I barely saw my friends, I barely went out, I barely did anything, and having 2 plans a week was like super stressful. And now I'm actually going out a lot more, and I'm seeing a lot of my friends, and I'm honestly living my best life. But I wanted to give you a little update, and I kind of want to get back on track because I do love, I'm still getting my plantains, I'm so hungry. So as an update about my personal life, other than enjoying London and going out and spending time with my friends and seeing beautiful things, I dyed my hair. You can't see because it looks really dark, but I turned 25 this week. I don't know. Life's been good. I just had breakfast and I need to go grocery shopping. There's a few things to do other than tidying up the house. But I need to do it. Let's go. Let's go.
Feels like we're teleported to an island, looking ahead from a different horizon. Stars aligning over the Pacific coast. Perfect timing, getting my dopamine dose.
And we're watching oh wait! What? Ow. Something.
Okay, be careful.
Idiot. We're just making dinner and we're watching a Hindi movie. And I'm actually very excited because we started watching it and I never finished it, and I've been thinking about it ever since.
Don't. I'm sad you did all of that and I can't get lemonade right. Please don't put that.
Niharika's going through things.
I am.
A lot of things.
Something.
Where the water is crystal blue, I feel you. So deep inside, that's how you trap my mind. And it's okay with me, 'cause I don't feel alone. You bring peace to me, that's why you are my home. You are my ocean, I just wanna catch a wave. I'm so full of emotion. You make me feel
And basically I'm going to Westfield today because my friend just moved in with her partner, and I'm going to her house on Sunday, I think, and I'm just gonna go to Westfield really quickly, get her a housewarming gift, so then I can just focus on editing or something for the rest of my evening. We'll see, and we can just chit chat.
Dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time. I'm just thinking about what I should be thinking of, and it's about time that I get it. Hey, stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't want to submit it on the basics, but it's keeping me. Cherry popsicle steak lips.
You're ruining the moment, Alex.
changes you. Like imagine like when you walk like this. I saw like a TikTok and this girl was literally like walking like this, and then she just went, kidding, and smiled.
Meta.